Maxim 52. Regret will not leave the hearts of two persons, and their feet of contention will not emerge from the mire. A merchant with a wrecked ship and a youth sitting with calendars, dervishes, will consider it licit to shed thy blood. If they can have no access to thy property, either associate not with a friend who dons the blue garb. Blue used to be very expensive, by the way. Or bid farewell to all thy property. Either make no friends with elephant keepers, or build a house suitable for elephants. And see, that's the thing about friendship, is interact with people. But if you're just letting whatever the thing is with the company that you associate with take over, you got to take in the sorts of habits and consequences that are coming with your friends. If people are being falsely arrested, almost always it's because of the company they're in. Figuring, oh, I got one of the gang. It doesn't matter whether it's the gang member that did this or not. You know, it's because a lot of people say, well, a lot of people that were innocent will say, well, I was innocent of this, but I figure they probably got me with others, so I've just given up on fighting it, right? After their conviction. But they weren't convicted because they were guilty of that. They were guilty of other stuff.